Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna change our seat belt, and I know the compressor running, guys, won't let me be great, but I'm gonna try to talk a little bit louder. But today we're gonna change the seat belt, as you can see on the driver's side. Actually, I'm changing it for both sides. I already did that side on a video, so I'm gonna do this side on the video. What you want to do is bring the seat all the way to the front of the car and up in the air, so kind of raise the seat up as much as it will go. Bring the seat all the way to the front as much as it will go as well. So once you do that, you can go ahead and pull up on this. That should be good enough. And you can see this part is already coming off. Well, you can pull on the rubber. Sometimes the rubber will lock them in like that. So now you want to get in the back of the car and pull up on this too. So you will see how far you gotta pull up on it. So there's a clip here that's holding it. We get a flathead screwdriver. I can see the clip right here. So let's get it right here. Back, get that out. So now we have access to the seat belt. So guys, you want to make sure the battery is disconnected. So you disconnected the negative battery, then you come here, then you pull back on this. This have two tabs at the end that you gotta pull back on. So now the compressor tab, that's good. We have two tabs at the end that we need to pull back on like this for it to come off. And then we have a torque screw right here. And also at the top we need to pull this right here. Flathead screwdriver, get in it. In there we're gonna have a torque screw. So let's get. So guys, we have a T20. Alright, so T20 work. Then we can pull back on it, and we need to pull on the rubber. So now we need to get a flathead screwdriver because there is another clip in here. You can see right there. So guys, what you want to do is pry it off. Sometimes the clip might leave back, but that's not a big deal once you get that off. Try to get your screw out of there so you don't lose your screw. I have mine right here. So the next thing we're gonna get to do is to remove we're gonna remove this right here, and also this right here. So let's go start and back. So guys, it's gonna be T50. This up here gonna be 10mm, and the other one at the top right here is T50 also. So we take that out. So it doesn't matter if your seatbelt is locked in some way. Once you put it in, it will lock in, it will get free. Like that. So guys, tighten that right there, and we're going to tighten that up there. This is not tighten yet. I know I said tighten, but it's not tighten yet. But I'm just saying I catch it right there. And the torque spec for it will be, let's see, 38 to, you can see the torque spec, it's right here. Alright, so guys, this we need to take out, so you can push down on the bottom, it will flick out like that. Let me show you what I did. Push down right here, it will flick out like that, and you can bring this up, hook the bottom part in, lock that into place, and now we're going to tighten up these. So guys, that's tight, and that tight right there. Right here, you just go ahead and lock this back in. And now, before you put back the plastic part, you're gonna have to change your pretensioner. Every time the seatbelt lock, 95% of the time the pretensioner is gonna lock too. So that's what we're gonna move to and lock. Alright guys, so down here, T20. I'm gonna take off the cover to discover this thing cover the pretensioner. Now we just need to take it from the back. So we got that out. Now we have access to the F55, T55 torque. Not 55, T50. So guys, that's the setup I have. So you want to squeeze this, pull that back. This you can pull back on it. Nice. And then we can just snatch that out like that and get our new one. So guys, we have our part number right here. Right here. This is it. Also come with the torque spec. So for number 3, it's gonna be 38 to 52. You can see right there. You can see the diagram right there. So guys, this what it looked like. This is how it come. So you know we're gonna have to take it off to get the screw for this. We're gonna take this off because we're gonna need the cover from this along with the screw. So guys, we just gonna get this, kind of hook it up into it, put this piece back right here. So there you go. You gotta make sure this part go in there. And then you tighten up the screw to the torque spec I showed you earlier. And you can lock this back in and push it back over there. So guys, this, we just wanna get it, put it back. Just like that. Alright, so now that's taken care of. We're gonna get the plastic for this right here, and then we're gonna install this. So guys, we take out the clips and we install the clips. One right here, one right here. Now we just gotta put this up here. We gotta run this through first of all. And then we do this. So we want to line up with the hole right there and put our screw through there. So guys, we put back this piece, clip back that in, find all the clips. So now we gotta put the lower piece down here. And then the compressor come in again. Won't let me be great. But bear with me, I'm just gonna talk a little bit louder. So if you have any clips stuck in the car, like how I have, I'm just gonna take them out. Just like how I did this one with a flathead screwdriver. So now you can see me struggle to take it. Oh, I didn't really struggle to come right out. Take that one out. I'm gonna take this one out right here. Take this one out. So now we just gotta put it in the mold. Alright guys, so we're just gonna clip this in right here. And then that's how you put it in. You have one part that you gotta shoot it in like that. Once you set it the right way, it's gonna go in. I'm gonna do the rest. So guys, we put the panel on. Next thing we got to take off is this piece right here. So you can try to pry it up from the bottom. Get in it like that. Then we want to take off this 10mm right here, because we're gonna need the 10mm, so that's why we have to take the 10mm out. That's the only other thing we need from this. So go like this. So like how I have this here, I'm just gonna show you what I use, how I do it. So basically you have like a hook on it. I don't know if you can see the hooks. So you want to get the hook down, hook it up like this, and screw that in and tighten it up. So that's basically what I'm gonna do on that side. I explain it, so I don't need to show it. Alright guys, so what we gotta do is lower the seat down, and then we're gonna have more of the stick come out. So once the seat is lowered, get this, hook it up under there, and screw this up. This I gotta clip it and maybe glue it back into place because it break from the impact. So we just need to tighten that up and put back the cover on it. Alright, so we have the clip in, and now we have the invisible seatbelt. So that's it guys. Just kidding, we have the right seatbelt. So there you go guys, that's how you change that. Let's go ahead and start the car up, see if the airbag light come on. So the airbag light is over there, and it went off and come back on. So now I have to scan it to see why it's on. So guys, what you can do is get a computer to clear the code, or you can take off the battery, let it sit for a minute or 3, and reconnect the battery and see if that will clear it. If not, you just gotta find a shop or AutoZone. I think most time AutoZone, they will clear the code for you guys, no worries. So I'm gonna go ahead and clear this code. You can see the airbag light is gone. Go ahead and start the car up. Airbag light come on, and it's turned off. And that's it for this one guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out, see you next time.